This is breaking news.
We begin with breaking news tonight out of Franklin County. 2 hours of deliberations led to a jury finding Brandy Dowdy guilty of the deaths of 2 women mauled to death by dogs 3 years ago. 2 weeks of testimony and graphic evidence photos led to this. And WAFF 48's Aria Pons has the latest.
2 weeks, dozens of witness testimony, all leading up to this, where a Franklin County jury decided that Brandy Dowdy is responsible for the deaths of 2 women.
We absolutely hope that these verdicts bring peace and some closure.
Cameras capturing an emotional embrace from family members of the victims, while in the background, Brandy Dowdy is being handcuffed after hearing the word guilty. A jury finding her guilty on 4 separate counts. Guilty of manslaughter in the case of Summer Beard, guilty of a lesser charge of criminally negligent homicide in the case of Michelle Sheeks, and guilty of 2 Emily's Law violations of owning dangerous dogs.
We hope that the verdicts in this case bring peace to the families. They have been here every single day. We've had such a crowd. We know that Michelle Sheeks and Summer Beard were important to so many people.
In April 2022, Michelle Sheeks was attacked by a pack of dogs and severely injured, later dying from her injuries. Then, the very next day, Summer Beard, who was investigating the first attack for the state, was then killed by dogs. Investigators described the attacks as the most gruesome that they had ever seen. I had the chance to speak to Dowdy's defense attorney, who maintained her client's innocence.
The fact that there's been no one that can substantiate which dogs created what injuries to either one of these victims, the fact that they're stray dogs and that they can't fully establish ownership of which dogs on the property belong to who.
Dowdy will be back in court for a sentencing hearing in January. Reporting in Franklin County, Aria Pons, 48 on your side.